Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I want to make a review on this cream. I must tell you, this cream does work. I've been using it now for 6 weeks and I can see a massive change in my skin. Actually the cream contains hydroquinone. I'm not sure, I'm going to leave it on the screen. I use the other one. I'm going to also leave that on the screen on my face, and they both work because that doesn't contain that. The hydroquinone that it contains is 9%. So when you use this cream and this one together, you get a fantastic result, but you have to be patient because it takes time for it to work. I love the smell, and again there is loads and loads of fake one. I'm going to show you how to recognize the fake one in my next video, and also talk about the other one I use on my face. I'm going to get this syndrome and use as well for 2 weeks to see the difference. But I must tell you, this cream actually works. This is not a promotional video. I'm just making my honest review on this. It's a fantastic cream, and for you to get an effective result, I would advise that you use it with sun protection cream, SPF 30, 50, 10. It depends. 15. It depends on the one you have in the market or in your supermarket or store. So you use it with it for you to get an effective result. And also, this is just a short clip of this video. I just want to make my honest review on this cream. It's fine, it's very good. The other one, I'm going to talk about it. Why I didn't use it on my face and I decided to use it on my body to see if it does work is because the last time I used the cream that contained hydroquinone, oh my god, I broke out badly. I had acne covered all over my face, like pimples. So I don't want anything that would trigger such reaction again. It might work on your skin or your body or your face. Everybody reaction to different cream or things is different. So we all react differently to cream or things that we use. So some people might use it and it might be good on their face, and some they might use it and it might just break out. So it depends on you. But I might tell you, any of the Fair and White product does work properly. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Before I leave, I will be doing not really a giveaway of this Fair and White. I just want, if you guys will subscribe and like my channel, the first 20 people to subscribe and like my channel, I'm gonna send out this Fair and White cream to them with their address, and also that will also follow me on my Instagram. I'm gonna leave the description on the screen. Thank you for watching. Bye.